so let's have a look at the Ringke Fusion Bold Magnetic S25 Ultra Black. As you can see, it says that you have to remove the plastic from inside and outside. As you can see, it has the MagSafe or magnetic ring, and this should be see-through. Yeah, so let's just put it on and then we'll analyze it a bit. This is a nice case. Okay, this one might not fit perfect because I didn't remove the film, but I don't want to do it just yet because I'm trying to decide which case I like. So yeah, imagine with this one you can clearly see everything on the back of your phone. The camera, there's edge raised around it, buttons nice and clicky, covered. All the cutouts are done perfectly. And again, if it drops on this corner, actually it should be fine, I think. Let's see. There is a possibility for rockets in there to damage a bit that side, but otherwise it's all good. So yeah, and the MagSafe, I'll show you actually, because I don't want to turn on the phone, so I'll show you when this is out. At the moment, so yeah, if you using MagSafe, that's how it sticks on, and that will charge your phone.